Hello again. Well, okay, there's no lurking leader. That's a good start. We got Beppo. We love that. Buggy's Cave. I don't know. Circus. Kuma. Killer. Burgess. We got Burgess. I don't know, man. I don't know. I still don't know how to pronounce his name. Sue me. Alright. What we got here? Oh, a handsome man. Or damn. Usopp, Shanks. Usopp again, looking handsome. Forgot what that Shanks card said. Ooh, that's a tough one. Let's keep going until we get something nice here. I don't know. I wasn't happy with that. I'm just spoiled. Don't mind me. Here we go. Okay. Oh, we got God. Charlotte. No, Violet, I think. God, how can I forget her name? How can I forget her name? Got Jinbei, Alvida. Bit of a mess. I like that guy. Mission number 3.